Hazrat Ishaq bin Abdullah bin Abu Talha reports that Hazrat Anas bin Malik radiyallahu anhu said, "The people got afflicted by famine in the Prophet times. While the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam was delivering the sermon on Friday, a Bedouin got up and said, 'O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, the property has perished and the children are starving, so make supplication to Allah Jalla Jalaluhu for us.' He sallallahu alaihi wasallam raised his hands. We did not see even a speck of cloud in the sky, but by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, in whose possession my soul is, no sooner did he raise his hands than the mountain-like clouds appeared. And before he descended from his pulpit, I saw the drops of rain pouring down from his beard. It rained that day, the next day, the following day till the next Friday. So that Bedouin or someone else got up and said, 'O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, the houses have collapsed and the livestock have drowned. So supplicate Allah Jalla Jalaluhu for us.' So he sallallahu alaihi wasallam raised his hands and said, 'Round about us, but not on us.' So wherever he pointed with his hand, the cloud of that part shattered and Medina Munawwara became like a circle. Qanaat channel kept on flowing for a month and no one came from any corner, but he spoke of that rain. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 933.